In this video, we will see how to install WordPress on HostMaria. Log into the dashboard and check the primary domain. Also check their other domain names and go back and check if the SSN is active. And the last thing is that you have to make sure that there are no files in the installation folder. Otherwise, the one which we installed will not be able to proceed. These are the basic checks to start with. Now return to the domain. If you have one domain, only one primary file location is public HTML. Then we go to the file manager and we make sure that public HTML is clean. If you just register, then there is one index file. We scroll down and there are 70 plus downloads. Click on WordPress. The process is very simple. Put the domain name, subdomain and click on install, and now the system has prepared installation files for your domain. Fill in the criteria asked and save it like language, password, email, etc. Go to settings, select HTTPS and save. Now go to the components and choose hostname, save, then go to the plugins and add new and save force HTTPS goes down and initialize and add this plugin. It will make your website load always from HTTPS. This is done. Now load your themes by going on appearance and choosing the themes install. You can also delete your themes and is also one plugin. We are worried about the speed, so add plugin cache enable. And actually it works better. It builds stamp cache and goes in setting and enable and see the slides work faster. Now let us see how to add a second domain. Go to the domain name, go to the subdomain section, and here you can add multiple number of domains and subdomains and manage DNS. Click on the domain here, you can see that we have one domain. All the files here will be public HTML domain. Click on the file manager, you see a folder public HTML, click it here, you will see the index page. This is for a primary domain name. For all the domain names, create a folder here. Then go to domains and add those domains. This is as simple as that. So I hope you find this video useful. With this exclusive feature, this deal is available at DealMirror at a lifetime deal offer of $7 only. Do not miss it. Leave us a like, and for more information on the product, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.